Hi, thanks so much for joining. I am Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360. I'm also the Chief Analyst at ClearTech Research, and I'm here today on behalf of the CTO Advisor, their Cloud Everyday series. And today we're talking Azure security. So specifically, Azure AD Multi-Factor Authentication. One of the main reasons or features that an identity platform is there to do for you is to verify or authenticate credentials when a user signs into a device, application, or service. In Azure Active Directory or Azure AD, authentication involves more than just the verification of a username and password. To improve security and reduce the need for help desk assistance, Azure AD authentication includes the following components: self-service password reset, Azure AD multi-factor authentication, hybrid integration to write password changes back to on-premises environments, hybrid integration to enforce password protection policies for on-premises environments, and passwordless authentication. Azure AD multi-factor authentication works by requiring two or more of the following authentication methods. Something you know, typically a password, something you have, such as a trusted device that's not easily duplicated, like a phone or a hardware key, and then something you are, biometrics, like a fingerprint or a face scan. Azure AD multi-factor authentication can also further secure password reset. So when users register themselves for Azure AD multi-factor authentication, they can also register for self-service password reset in one step. Administrators can choose forms of secondary authentication and configure challenges for MFA based on configuration decisions. You don't need to change apps and services to use Azure AD multi-factor authentication. The verification prompts are part of the Azure AD sign-in, which automatically requests and processes the MFA challenge when needed. When users sign into an application or service and receive an MFA prompt, they can choose from one of the registered forms of additional verification. Users can access My Profile to edit or add verification methods. The following additional forms of verification can be used with Azure AD Multi-Factor Authentication: Microsoft Authenticator, Authenticator Lite, which is an Outlook, Windows Hello for Business, FIDO2 security key, OAuth hardware token, OAuth software token, SMS, or a voice call. If you like my content, ring my bell on my profile so that you're the first to see my post. Follow me on Twitter at ClearTech Today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at ClearTech Research. Or if you need cloud security or cybersecurity sourcing assistance, Clarify 360 has you covered. Thank you for joining.